Hey guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word скорее, which means sooner, or sometimes soon, as in the phrase «Поправляйся скорее», or get well soon. Tell your brain the O represents a schwa sound and use good default Russian mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Sk. Sk. Now the second syllable. Say the word puttY very fast. puttY. puttY. Now let's emphasize the second syllable in puttY and say the first syllable so fast you can barely hear it. puttY. puttY. Say it again and feel your tongue flick the roof of your mouth. puttY. puttY. That's really close to a Russian soft R. Now let's try it again and then take away the first syllable altogether. puttY. ri. puttY. ri. You can learn this tongue flick with practice, so make sure to write this exercise down on a sticky note and try to do it many times a day. Now for the vowel. In the US, some people say eggs, but others say eggz, and that's the sound we need for our stressed yeah here. Джо танк липс. Скорее. Скорее. Finally, tell your brain the last yes sounds like a very short schwa sound in formal contexts. Скорее. Скорее. But then in casual speech it practically disappears. Джо танк липс. Скорее. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!